Hi, I'm Joel, and I'm the VP of Product here at Token Terminal. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to Studio, our powerful new tool that lets you create custom dashboards and charts using Token Terminal's comprehensive on-chain fundamentals data today. I'll walk you through how Studio can help you build a sophisticated dashboard to focus your analysis and answer your investing and operational questions. Let's get started by creating a new dashboard. Let's focus this one on stablecoin research. I'll go ahead and click Edit, and let's add a title. Stablecoin Research, and I'll add a brief description. A look at growth in the stablecoin industry. Great. I can even add a tag to make it easier to look at later. Let's add the stablecoin issuers tag. And let's go ahead and get started with content. The first thing I'm going to do is add a chart. I can click any of these items over here and drag them into my main area to go ahead and get started. Let's start by looking at stablecoin transfer volume. Go ahead and select that from my list. And let's pick the two main competitors in the space. Let's say Circle, and let's also say Tether. Great. Now that I've got a metric and I've got several projects selected, I've got a chart that's all ready to go showing me stablecoin transfer volume between these two major projects. Let's take a look at some of these other options in the chart. I can group my data by different aspects, such as what chain these stablecoin transfers have happened on. So that gives me a nice view across both projects of where that activity is happening by chain. Let's go ahead and set that back to project, and then let's play around with the different chart visualization options. I can select the stacked bar chart, which allows me to quickly see the difference over a daily basis. I can then also set that to % share so that I get a sense of where that activity is happening and who's the leader in that space. I can also update things like where my legend is located, what the metric is called, and I also can update the color of each of my options. Let's add some brand colors in here to make this a little bit easier for folks to understand. For Circle, we'll use their purple color. And for Tether, we will use their brand color as well. Before adding this to the dashboard, let's give it a quick title. Let's say stablecoin transfer volume. And save that. I can easily clone this chart to look at another metric. Let's go ahead and click Edit, and let's open up the metric dropdown to see which metrics are available for both of these projects. I can see we might want to see something like active addresses on a daily basis since we're looking at daily granularity. Let's go ahead and click that. And we can see here this tells another story about the number of active addresses across these two projects. Let's go ahead and update our title. Active addresses for stablecoin. Let's say by stablecoin provider. Go ahead and save that. Now, let's also add in a text area that can help us give some quick context about these two projects. I'll drag my text area into the side here. Let's say projects overview. And I'll go ahead and grab some text I've created over here and add that in. Now, that gives us a little bit of context about these two projects and how they work. I can also add images and links to this area as needed to help my team or readers. Now, one last thing we're going to do here, just to show how dashboards work, is we're going to add a data set. This allows you to take any of the existing data sets on Token Terminal and quickly add that to your dashboard. Let's go ahead and add the key stablecoin metrics data set. We'll add that in, and we are going to filter the issuers here to Circle and Tether. Let me apply my changes, and I'll add that to my dashboard. So now I've got, pretty quickly here, I've generated a fairly substantial and interesting dashboard for me and my team, and I'm easily able to share this around. Let's go ahead and click Save. And by clicking the share button, I've now got a link that I can share around with anyone on the internet. With Studio, you can capture and share your best ideas grounded in the best on-chain data. Please give Studio a try and let us know what you think.